Hi friends! As you can see, just washed my hair. I still haven't put anything in it. It's still wet. I normally love the Joico Luster lock treatment, and it's at the salon. Don't have it, so I'm gonna try something new. It's the Joico Hydra Splash. I have that at home. I haven't tried it yet, and it's for fine to medium dry hair. My hair isn't necessarily dry, it's not necessarily fine, but we're gonna do it anyways. So take that much. Also, I don't know if you guys know, but I'm pretty blind and I don't have my contacts in, so I have to squint. I'm not frowning at you guys. I have to squint to make sure things are showing up on the screen. But Hydra Splash, Joico is my all-time favorite. I have yet to come into contact with a brand that is better than Joico for treatments anyways, and for color. So I really emulsified that into my hands to get the molecules going. Make sure you get all the way to the ends. Okay, because it was not as wet, I guess I need more product. Making sure I'm staying away from the root because I'm not trying to have greasy hair. So I'm loving the smell of this. It smells great. Would I choose this over the Luster Lock for myself? Probably not. The Luster Lock is just a lot more moisturizing, or it feels more moisturizing. It feels better as I'm putting it into the hair. Like, had this been the Luster Lock, I would have felt a difference already. But maybe because that's not meant for fine hair and this is, and fine hair doesn't need that much heaviness, I guess. Five minutes. So my 5 minutes isn't up yet, but there's sparkles on my hands. The mask has sparkles in it. That's so cool. I love it. Anyways, I just came back to say that. I'm back. Just rinsed my hair out. So towards the end, before I rinsed it out, it really felt so soft that I didn't want to rinse it out. But it feels great now too, and I love it. I love how it feels. But it's a little treatment that you can do at home. Joico has a bunch of different treatments that you can use for different hair types, depending on like what you need it for. And it's all amazing. All their treatments, any treatment I've ever tried is amazing. Their moisture recovery one, their Revitaluxe hair repair, their Luster Lock, and then this Hydra Splash. But after I wash my hair, I always use KPAK Luster Lock spray and conditioner. Mix that up. And this just keeps it from going frizzing. The Joico Hydra Splash, amazing, good reviews. not for my hair type, definitely not for my hair type, because I have coarser hair. It's not necessarily fine, so I would go to the moisture recovery if I'm just looking, if it's just because of dry hair and I need that moisture. But I always go back to the Luster lock for myself. I wish I had it here. It looks like this, but it's a treatment rather than a spray. So if you guys are looking for it, just look for this kind of packaging, I guess, in the same type of bottle that the Hydra Splash was in. I hope you like that. Let me know if it helps. Let me know if you need a hand finding the product. Let me know if you have any further questions, and that's it for now. Bye!